Welcome to your new home. So glad you came to see this property. I'm so excited to show this house to you. This home has almost 1,700 square feet of living, but there are some surprises that you will not be expecting that I'm going to show you. So we're going to wander around. I'm going to tell you the highlights of the property, and then I'll tell you a little bit about the community in the area. So this house was built in 1976. It is a 3-bed, 3-bath home, and it's got it's been completely remodeled. So first of all, you notice these beautiful marble floors. You walk in the double door entry, you step into the formal living room, the dining room. We'll get to the kitchen. We're going to go over to the master suite first. We do have a coat closet here, so that's a nice feature, and then this expansive master bedroom. One of the things you're going to notice is that this house has these marble floors throughout. So these are just gorgeous and easy cleaning, easy maintenance, which is something we love here in Florida. A nice walk-in closet for the master suite. And then we have the master bathroom, new vanity, new granite countertops, walk-in shower, ready to go with a pocket door there as well. So we'll head back out this way. Some of the highlights, this house, like I said, was completely remodeled this year. It does have a roof that is only a few years old, done in 2016. The HVAC is completely redone, replaced this year as well. And you can see a beautiful updated kitchen. Look at these tiles here in the light area, just beautiful. So you've got a tray ceiling with beautiful accent tiles. We've got classic subway white tiles, white shaker cabinets, and the granite countertops. This overlooks the family room area. This could be another dining room if you'd like, and that will walk out to the expansive pool. There is a pantry here and a pocket door separating the kitchen if you needed to close it off. So this house will have, the kitchen will have all of the appliances installed. They're on order, so you'll have brand new appliances as well. This is one of the guest bedrooms. We've got fans and lights in each of the guest bedrooms, and again, the beautiful marble floors. Linen closet there, a nice guest bathroom, updated vanity, new toilet, new countertops, and beautiful tub shower combo. On down the hall, we get the 3rd bedroom. We've got the fan and light and the marble floors in here. And then the laundry room with its own separate door to separate it from the rest of the living area. Let's step to the garage. Newly painted garage floor. Everything in this house has been redone. You've got the drop-down attic stairs, and we have a nice side door that will take us out to the side yard. So you noticed that this house does have a semicircular drive going to the garage. It is a 2-car garage, so there's extra parking space, and this lot is 0.53, so it's over half an acre. It is a double lot, so lots of space to work with. One of the things I love, and there are many about this house, is the different sitting areas that you have. So this is a screened lanai that is ready to go for a hot tub, which is just spectacular. So you buy this house and you go out and purchase the hot tub of your choice. You can hook it right up. You see the woods in the back, nice privacy. And this is just one of the outdoor areas that you have at this house. So let's go look at the pool. So you can see we have nice sliders around the family room. And we step out to a great big lanai right here. So the design of this house with the pool, I think, is so unique and really cool in that you've got this upper deck, which makes for a very nice entertaining area. You can have a nice table out here or just sitting area, drink your coffee, you know, whatever you want to do while friends and family are splashing in the pool, and you overlook the pool beneath. And you can get a really good perspective here. This is just a huge pool. The pool's been resurfaced, and there's a bonus here. Now, this is not included in the 1,700 square feet, but we do have a pool house as well. So this little bonus is where you're going to find a whole nother space to enjoy. Now, as it stands right now, this area is not air conditioned, but it could easily be modified with a window unit or a mini split air conditioning. You've got a nice little setup here with a countertop and sink. And then this is an extra area that could just be storage, closet, you know, whatever you need, and a full bathroom. So this is your third bath. Nice walk-in shower, perfect for that extra overflow. I feel like this is just ideal for entertaining. So if you like to have guests, if you want to have pool parties, if you like to or want to see your family come and visit, you are set to go here. Lots and lots of options. Again, we've got the privacy in the back. Brand new air conditioner, like I mentioned, is over there, and we have a fenced-in yard for the pets. So I don't know what more to want than what this house offers. And Citrus Springs is a nice family community. It's centrally located. It's very easy access to Ocala, which is a nice area where we have a lot of shopping and restaurants, but yet it's very, very quiet. So you're getting that rural community feel without being separated from all of the lifestyle things that you enjoy. So shopping, restaurants, entertainment. We're very close, about an hour and a half to get to Tampa and Orlando for attractions. So it's just a wonderful place to retire, raise your family, whatever you might be doing in this phase of your life. So I welcome you to reach out. Would love to show you this property in person. My number's 352-794-1426. Ruth Squires, your Realtor on Demand, Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, White Glove Service, Red Carpet Treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great day.